So we're in the heart of Prague now. We're in the... what square is it, Levy? The main square. So just record and then hopefully it'll just follow you. Recording?
Yeah.
Hey Charlie, this way. I know you're filming me.
What are you doing?
Levy.
Am I supposed to be keeping watch?
Yes, not on me. It feels like I've got something on my face. And it's a little butterfly. You just like wanted to, I don't know, have a go on the ski slope. What can you see, you people? Hi Shirley. I'm trying to tangle down. You look alright?
Alright, yeah.
Alright.
Carry on.
What else have I got to say? Yeah, so when you go off for your morning pee in the morning...
A massive flock of seagulls which seem to be taking an interest. So I got a bit worried. So... But should have got some good footage. It's absolutely stunning though. I think we'll be back down here for sunset because there's so much water to get the reflections from... blah blah blah. What with all the tasks and missions we had to do, with the total crazy day yet, with this weird green marbly lake, a bit different from the previous countries we've visited.
The van's just here behind me. Sorry, just the van's just there in front of me. So we're gonna go into Wrocław. Wrocław? Babe?
Wrocław.
We're going into Wrocław. Oh no, what's he getting? Oh my god, he's juggling with chairs. Woo!
Didn't expect that one.
Didn't expect that. We are in Wrocław. Okay. And it's a very, very cute city. There's street performers everywhere you look, kids with their little bubble things. Well, I don't know if it's the kids, but someone's got the bubble things. And just generally very, very nice. And we may or may not have another beer. Don't know. So there's lots to do in Wrocław. The street performers at night are really cool. Did I just say? Yes, I did.
Why?
But now it's time to go back to the nature and enjoy some peace and quiet. Because as you know, cities are busy and nature is not. They're going to call the police in a minute.
That's enough.
Worked out really cheap in the end because we actually... And this is the not so part. And this is the not so nice part of the walk. So now we are heading back south. Which is good. Yeah. So our next destination is obviously Krakow. Our next Krakow. Our next city is Krakow. We're heading to. We're going to stop on the way. Obviously, we're just driving an hour today, for example. And so yeah.
So yeah, there you go.
There you go.
There you go. That's told you, isn't it?
Yeah, that's told you. So now we're going south.
We're not going north anymore.
The whole time we've been
south.
The whole time we've been travelling north. Now we're going south, haven't we, love?
Yeah.
See you then. Guy with pants only on eating a banana. banana. Looks a bit weird. So yes, I guess we just find a little spot down here somewhere. Love it, love it, love it. Lovely castle. This is my castle dance. Castles get me in the mood for dancing.
Outtakes! My morning routine is have several coffees.
Far too many coffees.
Some toast. And
go outside and do 100 sit-ups, press-ups.
Oh, you caught me! 305? Oh, I think that's right for today. So look at yours, Anne.
The van life dream pot noodle. Super noodles, spinach, peas. It's like a pot noodle. But much nicer. When you can't be bothered to cook, this is the way forward. Ho 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 ho. No, wait. Mummy's going to go and get you some treats, so you guard the van and we won't be long, okay?
Don't look sad.
Don't do
look
that
so
moody
sad.
face. We're coming back. We'll only be about 15 minutes. Okay? Good boy waiting.
Sarah, as you can see, is slowly learning the guitar.
It's very, very slowly. I can't do it with the pressure. I can't do it with the pressure of the camera. I can't remember any of my things now. Well, that's us all fresh after a little dip in the waterfall. Ready for another adventure. Can't remember what I was going to say.
So this is the first supermarket we're going to in Slovakia.
Well, not technically, because we did go to that little... Right, okay. So you may have guessed it, we are in a bar again. In Prague. On our... or something pint. But that's all day. Like, that's not just, you know, in one. That's all day drinking.
I'll probably just take it in the bag. I probably won't
Do you need a jump or anything?
do any drone in there. No, I'm good. It's quite warm, isn't it?
Yeah, schools go on your instincts and always park up before it gets dark. Which we've let it. So, bit of a different salad, but it does look good. Let's hope it looks as good as it tastes. I mean, hope it tastes as good as it looks.
Looking a bit misty today.
It's forecast to be clear.
Oh, a little bit better. The Spiss Castle, which looks really, what's the word with the weather and stuff? And Spiss Castle behind me, so the Spiss Castle looks really dramatic, especially with this cloud, this stormy.
You like the goats, Charlie?
Don't lick them on the eye. Oh. And she loves fishing. We did a bit while we were traveling around Australia and New Zealand, but I'm not sure, you know. But if anything's going to get me to start and take it up, it's that. It's this poster.
Love. Really?
Oh.
You're not funny.
Can you wear an outfit like that?
Yeah, you can just imagine these places in the winter being really nice. You know, they've all got open fires, they're all kind of wood, and they've got these log stalls. Really cosy after coming in after a long day's skiing on the sledges with the reindeers, that sort of thing.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that like button below.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do, and keep the comments coming because we absolutely love to hear from you.
And we'll see you in the next video.